What's up guys, it's Trevor here. In this video, I'll be talking about exactly what I'm doing in this current recession, how I'm preparing, and how I'm going to tackle this recession and add another zero to my net worth. Not even joking, in a recession, people that are aggressive in a smart way will build tremendous wealth in this upcoming recession. Alright, so let's jump right into this. So the very first thing that I'm currently doing for preparing for this recession is extremely heavy on cash. Now, cash is going to be very important in this recession because of assets being discounted. Businesses, stocks, real estate, any asset classes are going to be discounted in a recession. When this happens, the majority of people are going to be selling their homes at a discount. Stocks are going to be discounted and businesses are going to be a discount. It's not going to be identical to 2008, but it will be in a similar way. Aside from being cash heavy, where am I putting this cash? Under my bed or just in a plain savings account? Well, the best that you can do is putting it into a high yield savings account. And I'm sure you guys heard of something called government bonds that pay up to 7-8% or more. I don't know the exact rate right now, but the reason why I don't put money in those bonds is because you cannot take them out for 1 year. And although the returns are great on paper, and you can do the same thing while buying the dip when the stock market crashes or drops down, I would recommend most people to just buy stocks and bonds during a recession. But for people that are more aggressive and that want to build more wealth in this upcoming recession, you should be putting your money into high yield savings account and waiting for when the market bottoms. You'll know when it happens, and there's likely going to be tons of videos on this, and there's going to be, at least for a few years, real estate deals, stock market deals, and buying businesses at a discount that will build wealth to your name. Depending on these three, if you're a newbie or a novice, then buying stocks is going to be the easiest way to build wealth inside a recession. Since it's so easy, you open up the Fidelity app, the Robinhood app even, and just buy right there. It's so easy that anyone can do it. Buying stocks is not rocket science. It's not like it just a decade ago that you had to call people to buy stocks. You just open up your phone and just buy some. So for a majority of people, and for novices, I recommend just buying stocks at a discount. And if you want some recommendations, there's going to be VOO, which is the S&P 500. I have a majority of my positions in this ETF since it covers the 500 largest companies in the United States, and I still believe the United States will be on the top in the next 100 years. So majority of my money in terms of stocks are in VOO, which is the S&P 500 ETF. And I would recommend you guys to invest in this as well. If you want to diversify, you can do something like VT or something like a total world market ETF. If you want to diversify into foreign countries, but for the most part, I'm very bullish on VOO and S&P 500. Apart from stocks and keeping money into a high yield savings account, by the way, you're interested in what high yield savings account that I'm using, it is the American Express savings account, which offers about a 1% in terms of interest rate currently. And besides being cash heavy and getting ready to buy assets, stocks I just covered, and buying businesses. Businesses are going to be discounted, people are wanting to sell their business, and you could be there to buy it at a fraction of the cost. And during this time, if you buy a cash flowing business, it can really change your life. Any cash flow added to your bottom line is going to help build your net worth in the long run. So in my opinion, businesses can make you rich, but real estate especially will make you wealthy. And that goes to the third one, being real estate. Real estate prices are going to come down quite a bit, and we already saw the demand actually drop off, causing the house prices to drop down as well. So during the next few years, we'll see buying opportunities for people that are interested in buying rental properties at a discount that will basically add a humongous wealth to your name. Now, apart from being cash heavy during this upcoming recession, what else am I doing? I'm still regularly buying stocks every single month. If you're curious how much I buy, so I have the normal Roth IRA, which I put $500 a month, which equals to about exactly $6,000 per year, which is the current max rate for a Roth IRA. Apart from that, I do contribute about $1,000 to $750 per month into my SEP IRA, which is my company IRA. And apart from that, I have another normal investing account, which I just put extra money on the side every single month, and majority of it buys the S&P 500. In my other bullish accounts, I do buy QQQ in VGT, which are more tech heavy, since tech really saw humongous growth in the past 10 years. It doesn't guarantee that it will do the same in the next 10 years, but I'm still favoring tech, and I don't have any logical or data to back it up. It just my personal feeling. I don't spend that much time looking at individual companies and analyzing it. I just pick one and just buy every single month and work on adding more cash flow to my bottom line. Then I can put it back into stocks or buy other assets and build my net worth that way. Other things I'm doing inside this upcoming recession is spending less. Now normally I don't even spend a lot, and I only spend on items that are reasonable and actual business expenses. Sometimes I do buy things for myself, and usually last year I really only bought like 2 things since my company did really well last year. But even though my company will do the same or better this year, I'm still going to spend less so I can put more cash back into my savings and prepare to buy assets. It's very important to put as much money into a savings account during this time if you're looking to buy money producing assets in this upcoming recession. Apart from that, that is pretty much it. I keep it pretty simple. Usually 3 to 1, meaning for every 10,000 I have invested, I have 30K just in a cash account. So it's around 3 to 1, which I feel like this is a good ratio because I'm still investing every single month and putting into the Roth IRAs and investment accounts, maxing it out every single year, and also contributing to my SEP IRA, lowering my tax bill, and doing all those while still keeping some cash heavy on the side so I can be prepared to buy money producing assets like real estate. So that is it, and that's basically my plan in a very short 8-minute video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or kind of critique what my strategy is for this upcoming recession, make sure you comment down below inside the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.